Hey everyone, great to meet you. I'm Heather Flannery. I am so proud to have co-founded and launched Consensus Health, which is a recent spinoff from Consensus AG. We are an independent company as of the 2nd of March. And as you can imagine, that's some timing. If you're going to be launching an emerging technology company focused on transforming healthcare, doing it right into the most severe and dire pandemic in 100 years. So it caused all of us to have to dig deep and think deeply and connect to our intrinsic motivations and the reason why we're in healthcare and life sciences in the first place. And I was really moved by what you had to say, Dr. Holt, about your experience that led you to becoming a paramedic when you were very young. Like many people that work in healthcare and life sciences, there are personal reasons. There are reasons why it connects to who we are that transcend our professional identities and our jobs and our salaries and those kinds of things. It's one of the things that makes our industry really unique and special is that it's very large. It's a huge part of the total global economy, $10 trillion. But one thing that every single human being on earth has in common is that we are all patients. We are all going to go through the foundationally human experiences of birth and death and illness and loss and hopefully vitality and wellness and vigor and the things that we hope every human on earth is able to maximally achieve. I'm a a technology entrepreneur, serial entrepreneur that's really interested in complexity theory and complex adaptive systems. And that interest
Mm.
came because of all sorts of punishment I took in early ventures trying to fix things in healthcare and figuring out why it was so much harder than I thought. And that has led to a great passion for a range of emerging technologies, beginning but not ending with blockchain. And this is an opportunity to make structural change, really systemic structural change that solve real problems that doesn't affect some abstract, invisible, who knows who. It's us, it's you, and it's me. It's every single one of us. It's our parents, it's our children, it's our brothers and sisters, it's our neighbors. And the world is suffering greatly right now. And the communities of open source developers that have this opportunity to come together, first of all, it's really cool because these teams of engineers, so far as I know, have never directly worked together. And that's neat. And I think is going to be really force multiplying. And the concepts that we're going to unpack as we tell you more about the hackathon are all about how we're trying to take the hackathon concept generally, but apply the sense of urgency. Like, what if your life depended upon creating solutions that could immediately be put in market? What if it were that important? What if there were companies and partners and ecosystems standing by, ready to act, ready to put it in the market, ready to drive it to humanity immediately? And what if the absence of those contributions cost untold, possibly preventable human suffering, loss, grief, and candidly, terrible, terrible outcomes for all of us? That's the sense of urgency that we've applied as we've designed this hackathon. And it's been challenging, it's messy. We're trying to move really fast. And you guys are all incredible for being here. And I'm so hopeful that the overall experience that everyone has is full of learning and growth and different interdisciplinary approaches coming together between technologists and engineers and different fields of healthcare and life sciences. It's my deep hope that the result of this hackathon at the end, the winning solutions, are solutions that will be winning for all of us and
Mm.
immediately actionable.